Chisme Nation, I'm here at the bar with my man DJ Tony. We here at Brooklyn Terrace. Now we are waiting for these, things to start jumping. Salsa going, and we got bachata going too.
We do bachata, we do salsa, we do merengue, a little bit of top 40, so some Pitbull, some Shakira, a little bit for everybody.
Okay, that's fair enough to say. Now this is the bar here. Let me lift this up. That's the bar.
Look at this view, folks.
Look at the view, man. Look at the view. Alright. There she goes. That's the bartender there. Very beautiful, very beautiful.
So again, it's an early start, but we're gonna check back in about, let's say, an hour, 2 hours or so. We're gonna show you what the outdoor terrace looks like, and this place is gonna be jam-packed. We have 4 birthday parties today, so.
Now, this is the man that's gonna be running my 50th birthday party.
Oh yeah.
All right, that's gonna be slamming.
It's gonna be epic.
It's gonna be epic, he says. I believe him. Okay, he will be having his birthday party here.
April 13th, all black. I want everybody in black. Live band. It's gonna be unbelievable.
How old are you gonna be?
I'm gonna be 25. all right, 26.
50. I gotta admit it, kid. It's over. No, it's not over. It's just the beginning. Just the beginning. Just the beginning, man. I don't feel like I'm 50. But here,
Yes.
and we will be back.
Stay tuned. Keep it on Chisme Nation. That's right. This is the #1 location for party info right
There
here.
you go. Chisme Nation is growing. I want to thank everybody for being a part of that. And man, all your IMs, your requests, your emails, the YouTube channel. We got a lot of stuff going, man. A lot of things will be happening this summer. Got some foundations that are, willing to come into some jams we're going to be throwing. We're talking to a lot of DJs, a lot of promoters about it, and see what happens, man. So again, I'll talk to you later. I'm gonna have me another beer.